Steroid says this cute little thing is my what? Testes. Going outside of the testes is the shiny white coat known as the tunica albuginea. On the posterior aspect of the testes, you'll notice there's this coiled tube. This coiled tube is known as the epididymis, because that's where mature sperm are stored. So although the sperm is manufactured and produced in the testes, in those seminiferous tubules, it's going to be stored in the epididymis. Alright, that much is true. You'll notice this next thing we look at is the spermatocord that I'm touching now. The spermatocord is comprised of 5 things: testicular vein, artery, nerve, testicular vein, artery, nerve. And in addition to being testicular vein, artery, nerve, Mr. Gilmore, lymphatic vessels, and the ductus arteriosus. Do that again, Mr. Gilmore. I didn't understand. I didn't understand, Mr. Gilmore. You mean to tell me that's called the testicular vein, artery, nerve, lymphatic vessel, and ductus or vas deferens? Okay, so those are the 5 things that make up the spermatocord. But Mr. Gilmore, what is this part? This is called the shaft of the penis. This is called the glans penis, or head of the penis. Around the glans penis is this piece that we cut off. That's called the prepuce or foreskin. Now, what is it that houses the testes? That's the scrotal sac. Scrotal sac. Well, Mr. Gilmore, you really got everything we need off of that. That's correct. The only other thing I may point out, with the urinary bladder, if I was to ask you what is this tube leaving there, that would be what? Urethra. The urethra. But Mr. Gilmore, what is this outpouching that's found around the urethra? That's the prostate gland. It's a little outpouching. And we will have to clean all this up to show you what the prostate look like, but it's this little outpouch. It looks like a little donut going around it. Fair enough? Now, man, these are good vessels. These are good vessels. Those are the best vessels. They didn't dig these out, but these are good. Their vessels are the best ones I've seen in a while. Too bad they didn't dig them out. Okay, here we go.
Okay.